In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your plagiarism report in Grammarly 2025 Full Guide. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. In the results, click the official Grammarly site to open the app. After you click through, give the page a moment to fully load. The speed will depend on your connection, so a little patience here helps everything run smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land on the Grammarly dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll see your recent documents. Find the document you want the plagiarism report for and click it to open in the editor. Let the editor finish loading your text. The quality checks run on the fully rendered content, so waiting a few seconds ensures complete results. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Check for AI Text and Plagiarism, and click it to run the scan on your document. Plagiarism checking is part of Grammarly's premium features, so you'll see this option when your plan supports it. Allow the scan to complete. You'll notice progress indicators as the analysis finishes and the results are prepared. Next, go to the top center of the editor and click Overall Score. This opens the performance summary for your document. In that summary window, select Download PDF Report. Grammarly will generate a comprehensive file that combines readability metrics, word count, quality insights, and your plagiarism findings in one place. The PDF will save to your default downloads location unless you've chosen a different folder in your browser settings. Open the PDF you just downloaded. If it doesn't pop up automatically, check your Downloads bar or your Downloads folder. Once the report is open, scroll down to the bottom. That's where Grammarly places the plagiarism section, including the overall percentage and any matched sources. Review those matches to decide whether the highlighted lines are direct quotes, common phrases, or areas that may need a citation or a light rewrite. A couple of quick tips as you review. If the download doesn't start, temporarily turn off any strict pop-up or download blockers and try again. For the most accurate results, run and download the report on your final draft, because the report reflects the exact text at the moment you export it. And that's it. You've opened Grammarly through Google, scanned for AI text and plagiarism, checked the overall score, downloaded the PDF report, and located the plagiarism details at the bottom of the file.